Hi friends, my name is Advait Pratik Bhoyer. I am from SPRW classes, Rajiv Nagar, Nashik, Maharashtra. I am studying in Poddar International School 5th grade and I am 10 years old. Friends, you all know that this COVID pandemic situation is no more easy for us. So I tried my best and created a shopping app. I have created this CCM Mall app by the help of MIT App Inventor for the NCRC competition. Now I will show you how my app works. This is the icon of my app. When I click my app, before entering the CCM Mall, you have to fill up the form. To fill up the form, you have to click the COVID-19 image.
Welcome to CCM Mall Nashik. Please wear mask, use hand gloves or hand sanitizer before entering the CCM Mall and fill up the COVID form.
You have to write your name, then select your temperature and age. When you click the normal body temperature, then they will allow you. If you click the high body temperature, then you are not allowed to the mall. If you select the age of kids or senior citizens, then you are not allowed to the mall. If your age is between 6 or 65 years, you are allowed in the mall. My second image is of parking. If you want to park your vehicle, you have to press on the second image. If you click on parking 1, you have to pay the amount 30 rupees by the QR code. If you click on parking 2, it will show you the parking is vacant. Press home button to return to home screen. My third image is shopping. If you click on shopping, it will show you 4 different shops. For shopping, click on Reliance Mart. If you want to see offers, you can click on see offers. If you want to directly do shopping, then start shopping. You can see offers and then directly do start shopping. You can add items by scanning the product or directly by. When you click on the add button, then the item will be added in the shopping list. Press the home button to go to home screen. For exciting games, click on Game Zone. Select any game and pay the amount by QR.
Thanks for payment. Now you can play games. Please wear mask, gloves or sanitizer.
Press home button to return to home screen. To know the location of CCM Mall, click the GPS. Click home button to return to home screen. If you feel hungry, click on Food Hub. If you are interested in McDonald's, then click on McDonald's. Check out the menu list of McDonald's and you can go back. To eat delicious pizzas, click on Pizza Hut. When you click on Pizza Hut, the intimation is given to the customer.
Before entering the Pizza Hut, sanitize your hands and keep safe distance.
Select any meal and pay the amount by QR code. You can also place order online by clicking this button. Press back button to go back. This app is very user friendly. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my video. One like means one vote, so like my video.